Uses of gerund. Usos del gerundio. As subject of a sentence. Como sujeto de una oración. Drinking coffee is something I do every day. Tomar café es algo que hago todos los días. Walking is good for your health. Caminar es bueno para tu salud. After any preposition. Después de cualquier preposición. She's good at solving problems. Ella es buena para resolver problemas. Before eating, I wash my hands. Antes de comer, me lavo las manos. After some verbs. Después de algunos verbos. I enjoy playing tennis. Me gusta jugar al tenis. He avoids driving at night. Él evita conducir de noche. Some of the most common are. Algunos de los más comunes son admit, appreciate, avoid, consider, delay, deny, detest, dislike, enjoy, finish, forgive, imagine, involve, suggest. Uses of infinitive. Usos del infinitivo. As subject of a sentence. Como sujeto de una oración. To make mistakes is easy. Cometer errores es fácil. To recognize them is difficult. Reconocerlos es difícil. After adjectives. Después de adjetivos. We are pleased to see you again. Nos complace verte de nuevo. He was surprised to learn too fast. Se sorprendió al aprender demasiado rápido. After some verbs. Después de algunos verbos. I want to play tennis today. Yo quiero jugar tenis hoy. She needs to send this invoice now. Ella necesita enviar esta factura ahora. Some of the most common are. Algunos de los más comunes son afford, agree, appear, arrange, ask, choose, decide, expect, help, hope, offer, prefer, refuse, need, want. Uses of infinitive and gerund. Usos del infinitivo y el gerundio. There are some verbs that you can use either a gerund or an infinitive. Hay algunos verbos que puedes usar un gerundio o un infinitivo. I like to play tennis. Me gusta jugar al tenis. I like playing tennis. Me gusta jugar al tenis. I start to work at 8 o'clock. Empiezo a trabajar a las 8 en punto. I start working at 8 o'clock. Empiezo a trabajar a las 8 en punto. Verbs that accept both. Verbos que aceptan ambos. Like, start, hate, begin, continue, love, try, and wish. Our planet continues having problems. Nuestro planeta continúa teniendo problemas. Our planet continues having problems. And we refuse to admit it. Y nos negamos a admitirlo. And we refuse to admit it. Some governments prefer to ignore that pollution increases day by day. Algunos gobiernos prefieren ignorar que la contaminación aumenta día con día. Some governments prefer to ignore that pollution increases day by day. It's important to avoid doing certain things that affect our planet. Es importante evitar hacer ciertas cosas que afectan a nuestro planeta. It's important to avoid doing certain things that affect our planet. We need to be aware that global warming is a serious issue. Tenemos que estar conscientes de que el calentamiento global es un serio problema. We need to be aware that global warming is a serious issue. If we want to take care of our planet, we have to start doing something. Si queremos cuidar nuestro planeta, tenemos que empezar a hacer algo. If we want to take care of our planet, we have to start doing something. For example, avoid using cars a lot and consider looking for other means of transportation. Por ejemplo, evitar usar mucho los automóviles y el considerar buscar otros medios de transporte. For example, avoid using cars a lot and consider looking for other means of transportation. We shouldn't delay doing something for our environment. No debemos demorarnos en hacer algo por nuestro entorno. We shouldn't delay doing something for our environment and help the Mother Nature to recover soon. Y ayudar a la Madre Naturaleza a recuperarse pronto. And help the Mother Nature to recover soon. Leaving a better world to the next generation is our duty. El dejar un mundo mejor a las siguientes generaciones es nuestro deber. Leaving a better world to the next generations is our duty. We hope to leave them good results. Esperamos dejarles buenos resultados. We hope to leave them good results. Imagine our planet running efficiently as it was before. Imagina a nuestro planeta funcionando de manera eficiente como era antes. Imagine our planet running efficiently as it was before. We all want this to really happen. Todos queremos que esto realmente suceda. We all want this to really happen.